For us trading the new micro contracts, there are a couple of things we can do to facilitating their reading and their trading. I'm going to focus here on the ES micro, which is the contract I'm trading right now. But for those trading the NQ, the YM, or the RTY micros, the premise is exactly the same. So I'm using for trading Jigsaw Trading DOM, which is by far the best DOM out there. And reading the micros can be a bit hard. The volume trader can be really low, and the resting orders are really jumpy. So we have 204 contracts here, and this all of a sudden can go down to 50 or 20 lots and then back again to 200 lots. So it's quite hard to read orders when they are jumpy like this. So what I've been doing, I'm reading the ES emini, which is the Ifika market, and easier to read obviously, and then I execute my trades on the ES micro. And I've been adjusting the Jigsaw DOM settings to remove all extra data from the screen that I don't need, so my eyes don't get attracted to it. So I already remove some information from the NQYM and the ZN, the 10-year DOMs. And I'll do the same thing for the ES micro. So here I will remove the current trades columns because I don't want to look at this. What I want to look is the emini. This is where I'm getting my readings for my trades. So I'm going to remove the current trades from the micros. And I'm just going to adjust the price column here. And basically this is it. So the only thing, the DOM for the micro, the ES micro, is to execute trades, nothing else. So every reading will be done on the ES emini DOM. I also use the Vista chart, so I can get my high liquidity areas and the high traded volume here. So I can look at them in the future to see where possible support areas or resistance areas might appear. I also look at the strength meter, so I can see the real strength behind the move. So we are accumulating the volume on each side, and a cool tool is to reset when we think. So let's imagine that we might have some high here. So resetting at this specific point in time, we can have a pretty good view of which side is having more force. So you can see obviously sellers were a little bit, now it's half. So this is resetting the strength meter is a real cool tool to have. And another tool cool to have is to reset all DOMs at the same time, or better said, center the DOMs at the same time. So by centering them, we can, our peripheral vision, so if we are looking at the emini here, our peripheral vision is looking all at the other 4 DOMs. So we can easily see which one is ticking higher or ticking lower first. So this will help us analyzing the exact moment of trading, the exact situation that is happening, and associated with Vista, associated with strength meter. It is a really good way to read the market and facilitate our trading. And so the only information I really have is Vista, strength meter, and then on the emini DOM, I have the snapshot columns, which allows me to see all contracts that are being pulled and added to each side of the market, and of course the current trades, where I can get all volume being traded at this moment here, and obviously the volume profile column, where we can see high volume areas, low volume areas. We can see a step here where a step that we had before, which was causing resistance. So we are clearly now trading above it. So this is some of the ways I'm managing my trading screen to only have the information that I need and nothing extra that make our eyes attract to it, and we ended up getting lost in that same information that we have no use to, and just focus on what it is important for your trading, for my trading obviously. And I hope this can help you to managing your trading screen, and just have the only thing, only the tools, only the information you need, and remove everything else.